going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. Obviously, see what's happening. Are we able to see next door, Bindu? Next door? Because this even has a backwater valve on it. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we just sucked out that water. Alright, now. Very tight, eh?
These are like storage room.
Yeah.
Anyway, this needs whole building, whole 3 buildings, bottom drains need to be.
All the bottom ends, eh?
Yeah. I think you have to do that one. I think probably Rahila has to do that.
Yeah, probably wouldn't be a bad idea.
Huh? Yeah. You need.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, Andrew. Probably gonna have to cut it there if this won't open.
Yeah, already that was over there.
But if I open up inside the wall,
Oh.
if it starts backing up,
Okay.
it's just gonna go. I would rather it back up into this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can understand that.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna.
Yeah, there is a back valve, see? Back valve over
Yeah.
there, but it doesn't work probably. Then this morning I asked Dennis to check that one, no, replace another one. This unit. But in 84 building, no back valve, back wash.
Honestly, those things are garbage.
Garbage, eh?
They really are, because if you get a piece of rice stuck in it,
Oh.
it fails. Well, look.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, see,
Every time, like even the good copper solid brass ones, like I got one in my van because it failed.
Oh.
Right? And it's like, so I cut it out. So. Yeah, if you have the plumber here, next time,
Yeah.
get him to bring that pipe out and over, and then if he wants to put a check valve, put it here.
Okay.
Because, like, it's putting a lot of, once I start snaking, it's going to put a lot of pressure on that pipe. That's not good.
No. Some go down.
of those days, Bandu. I feel it.
Yeah.
All right. So we know it's not back to back. So this hopefully will go through fairly easily.
By the way, if it's stuck inside, how can you get it out?
We eventually got it out, working it back and forth, but like, look, see the wet wipes? That was from that job.
Yeah.
They get stuck inside, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to use this kind of head. I use these head because it's a drop head, right?
Yeah.
When the drains are back to back and it's a T, this drops down,
Okay.
instead of going across. So I'm going to try just using the spade. See if that works. Oh, I hope this isn't under pressure. Alright, I got the camera in that position because there's not a lot of room here. So we sent the superintendent upstairs to see if he can run the water while we're snaking, and hopefully nothing backs up. We are on the second floor, so we'll have to go maybe 40 feet, something like that, before we hit the main stack. So let's see if it backs up. Okay, I'm going to start pulling it out because I don't see any backup, and I believe it would have backed up by now. So let's pull it out, see if the cable comes back clean with the hot water that's being ran, and see if we caught anything. The last time I was in one of these buildings, I brought back a bunch of wet wipes from the toilet, from the kitchen line. Yeah, I can hear it. Is somebody home upstairs?
No.
Okay, so. There. You can still hear the water running. Alright. I think he just turned it off. Now we wrap up. That. Alright, now I'm going to turn the water on, make sure we don't leak. No leaks. What's that? That drip? I think that was from my hands when I put it on. Still dripping? Gotta use the pliers, man. Do I got little girly hands?
Oh.
Weak. Where is it? Alright, everything looks good.
Yeah.
Off to the next one. I just need to swing by my truck. That's where we're going out though, right?
Yeah.
We go in the back of the next building?
Back of the building, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright. Alright guys, that's it for this one. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Turog now.